applause. Thank you so much, Vice Mayor, for that wonderful message for everybody. Indeed, we are all welcomed. At this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, to give us, of course, an intermission number, we have a singing sensation here in our municipality. So, he just garnered several, of course, awards in singing. Ladies and gentlemen, to give us a song number, please give it up for Willie Riggs. Fuego, a big hand, please. So this is a manifestation that Sergio Osmeña has many talents to offer, not just here in our locality, but of course worldwide or internationally. Again, please put your hands together.